of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back in our English class. Today I am here with two more new alphabets, as you can see here on the board. And one interesting thing is this, dear students, these two letters are the last letters of our alphabet book. But before start learning about these letters, first we will sing Phonics Song today. So all of you please come here and be ready. Start singing with me.
E as an apple, apple. B as a butterfly, butterfly. C as a candle, candle. D as a duck, duck. E as an eye, eye. F as a fish, fish. G as a grapes, grapes. H as a hat, hat. I as an ink pot, ink pot. J as a jug, jug. K as a kite, kite. L as a lamp, lamp. M as a mango, mango. N as a nail, nail. O as an orange, orange. P as a pencil, pencil. Q as a quill, quill. R as a ring, ring. S as a sun, sun. T as a tree, tree. U as an umbrella, umbrella. V as a van, van. W as a watch, watch. X as a X-ray, X-ray. Y as a yo-yo, yo-yo. Z as a zip, zip. Z as a zip, zip. I hope you enjoyed the phonics song. Now come on today's lesson. As you can see here we have our first flashcard, which is about letter Y. Capital Y, small y. Sound is y. Capital Y, small y. Sound is y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Now for formation, look at the board carefully. Here we have a dot on the worksheet, but no need to put your pencil first on this dot. First you will take a little gap from this dot and sketch a slanting line from the first line to third line. Slanting line down, slanting line down, slanting line down, slanting line down. Touch the third line. Stop your pencil. Now come to the dot. Put the pencil on this dot now. Sketch a slanting line from here to this line. Touch the second line. Stop your pencil. Here is the formation of capital Y. Now for small y, look at the board again. Here you have a dot on your worksheet. Put the pencil on that dot and go straightly. Now this time you will go straightly. Go straight. Now make a curve. Touch the line. Curve up. Again go down on this line. Go down. Touch the last line. Again make a curve. Flick. Here is the formation of small y. Capital Y, small y. Sound is y, yo-yo. Now as you can see here we have our last letter of alphabet book. This is letter Z, capital Z, small z. Sound is z, zip. Capital Z, small z. Sound is z, zip. Now for formation, look at the board carefully. Here you have a dot on your worksheet. Put the pencil on that dot and go straight on the line. Now you will sketch a slanting line down, touch the third line. Now go straight again on the line and stop your pencil. Okay? Go straight on the line, slanting line down, touch the third line, go straight again on the line. It is the formation of capital Z. For small z, look at the board again. Here you have dot on your worksheet. Put the pencil on the dot, go straight on the line. Now slanting line down, touch this line, again go straight and stop your pencil. Here is the formation of small z. Capital Z, small z, sound is z, zip. Okay? Now for reading of this letter, take out your Phonics Fun, open page number 27 and start reading with me. Here we have our first letter Y. Y sound is y, york, york, yogurt. Here we have words which are starting from letter Y. Now here we have a sentence which have vocabulary of letter Y. So please try to pronounce the sound, blend them and try to read the sentence. Yo, the, york, writes. Single A will give us the long sound. Yellow, yacht. Yacht means you can say boat or ship. Yo, the, york, writes a yellow yacht. Now come on the second alphabet. Here we have letter Z. Sound is z, zebra, zebra crossing. Z, zigzag, zip. Now here we have one more sentence with the vocabulary of letter Z. Let's start reading. Zoo, the zebra lives in the zoo. The zebra lives in the zoo. Good. I hope you understand everything. Now, as homework, here we have a worksheet. As you can see, two letters are already written on the worksheet, Y and Z. You have to write the same letters in the below line in both columns. And here we have a question, write the initial letter. As you can see, here we have a picture of yolk. What is yolk? The middle yellow part of an egg is called yolk. So, Y is missing over here. You have to write the Y here. Zip. Z is missing over here. You have to write the letter Z in the blank. And here we have our second worksheet. As you can see, here we have a whiteboard with some blanks. You have to fill these blanks with the letter what comes after this. Okay, like what comes after B, C, what comes after D, E, what comes after F, G. Okay. Now in this worksheet you have to circle the beginning sound of this picture. Means first you will pronounce the name of this picture, like this is balloon. First you will pronounce balloon. Then you will focus the words which word can give you the sound of B. Then you will make a circle around the word. Okay. Now please collect all these worksheets from Facebook and keep your work in practice at home. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.